Today's date is April 28th, 2026, and I'm upgrading the sub panel. It's got a 50 amp breaker on it, and so I've disconnected the main house panel away from the sub panel out here in the mother-in-law house. So because the dirt has been so hard right here, I'm going to be running a circuit or a couple circuits over to the garage. I think I went over this yesterday. So in any case, I've been filling it with water, and it does make it easier to dig. So anyway, I'm bringing that over to the garage. That is 25 feet. So this is the main reason why we're upgrading this, and there's shared circuits. So I had pictures of that earlier. So anyway, this is what, there's all these shared circuits right there. So what I'm going to do is cut this pipe to facilitate putting the this panel in. Now there is a problem because the distance between from the stud here to here is a lot closer than the panel. So I have to cut this and then bring this up inside of the panel. So I may have to notch this out quite a bit to let that fit in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. We'll see where I am in an hour or so. Okay, today's date is April 29th. So this is the mess I got going in my living room here. This is the air handler for the split unit that precipitated all of this work to get the panel upgraded. So what I'm doing now is I got this all relatively cleaned up. I'll be pulling wires from there down into the new panel right here. So I just cut this off. I got to get a fitting. I'll show you that. So I have to get a fitting like that for the power coming in. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I've got all my breakers and everything. I was working on the laying out the panel here. So I have to get some, when I get that in, then I have to get I want to just use one connector, you know, like a 1 inch or 1.25 inch connector to have all of them go through one hole back up into the into the old box there. So I gotta get a step drill and a few other things. So I'll be back. Okay, today's still the 28th. I've been pulling wire and fixing plumbing issues. So anyway, I got this hopefully will be the 2 circuits going out to the garage. So today, Kelly pulled the water heater from underneath here, and we went and got a different plumbing arrangement right there, a T. So when we get this other water heater, which the Home Depot doesn't have, excuse me. So anyway, this is a GE water heater, I guess. So anyway, it's 2.5 gallon. You got to transfer all of that over. And I had to move the old filler valve that was here on the corner for the evaporative cooler that used to be standing on a stand here. You can see the duct work there, up there. So anyway, hopefully this will be long enough for me to, that's variable cable, excuse me, cable. So I got the leak fixed from that plumbing issue is dripping down here. Now I'll be pulling the wire down to the garage and to some outlet. I have the split unit right here. This is what I'm going to be installing. So I want to make sure, see, everything is discharging there. So wherever I position the air handler, I want to have that on this side. So I got to get the electrical cord and find out where I need to place this box right here. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I'll be back. Okay, well, today's date is April 30th. I've been working on doing stuff outside. Anyway, I finally made my dongle for tying the old panel right there in. I'm going to be, I got all the wires stripped and everything, so I'm ready to transfer the wire, each one over, so I can have them come into the breaker box here. So I'm going to be bringing the power in. I've got these all identified, so I'm going to be landing those first down here. But before I do that, I'm going to tie off the junction box here, get that all taken care of and out of the way. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I terminated all of the wires here. I kind of have a convention there. All the hot wires have the twist-ons, so they're facing down, so they won't have a chance to fall off for any reason. So this is my pool box right there. So now I'm going to hook up the 220 for the stove right here. So that's what these wires are all about. And then finish landing, I'm bringing the power in first. That's these right here. So I got to cut those to length and do all of that. So I just got through identifying the hots over here. So I'll be back. Well, we got our panel upgraded. So that's our pull box. I got to get some anchors for that. But so we got all of our circuit breakers are all updated. These are for the wires that are going out to the garage, but I'm not doing that now. I just got the panel converted over so that we could add those circuits. So anyway, we got a mess to clean up, but that's done and taken care of. And then the next thing we'll be working on getting the plug position for the split or ductless air conditioning. So that's going to be it for this video.